Top world news headlines today. The Guardian. The Guardian. Friday briefing: as Israel's coalition collapses, can its prime minister hang on to power? U.S.-concerned Russian campaign against Baltics could spark into something bigger, says Rubio, as it happened yesterday. In the Middle East, political uncertainty is growing in Israel after Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's coalition government reportedly collapsed, increasing the possibility of fresh elections later this year. The Guardian. NATO tensions are rising as the United States warned that Russian activities around the Baltic region could spark into something bigger. Military movements and drone incidents near Estonia and Poland are increasing concerns in Europe. The Guardian. Reports indicate continuing diplomatic negotiations between the US and Iran regarding regional security and maritime tensions around the Strait of Hormuz. YouTube +1. Belarus reportedly received Russian nuclear warheads, adding to growing geopolitical tensions between Russia and Western allies. Euronews. The International Court of Justice issued a landmark advisory opinion supporting workers' right to strike under international labor agreements. Global issues. In sports, England national football team announced its 2026 World Cup squad, while coach Pep Guardiola confirmed he will leave Manchester City FC after a decade. The Guardian. A severe heatwave continues across parts of Pakistan and India, with temperatures crossing 46 degrees Celsius in some areas.